we are going to wrap using dried flowers. Alright, it's nice. Okay, so again, you measure how big your bow would be in the tail, and then from here, underneath, and then from there cross, and then pull both ends to tighten. Okay, then let's make a bow. Sorry, that's pinapababa niyo yata. Yan. So now, medyo maarte siya. Baba natin ng konti kasi lagyan natin ng dried flowers. So, I have these. Kinuha ko siya sa shelf ko sa baba. So, insert lang natin. You can tape this here. Ganyan. Kita mo ba? And then, it's more festive. We are going to make like a bouquet of a ribbon. Tama ba? Parang bouquet yung malaki. So, to do that, first you have to determine how big your bow is going to be, or yung head niya. So, I want it mga ganito. So, you can make it as big as you want, but for me, ito lang. So, we are going to make patong-patong lang siya, ganyan. So, that's one on both ends. So, two din dito sa ilalim. I don't know if you... And then, three here. And then, three din dito. So, that makes six. Niya lang. Cut here. And from there, put it aside muna. Let's cut about, depends kasi how you want it or what's the purpose of this. So you can either use this as a tie around your curtain or in your Christmas tree. So we can, about a ruler siguro. 1 foot. And then you create a knot. Don't tighten it too much. So, ganyan. Para may detail. So, ganyan na siya. Set it aside. Okay, so from here, let's get this again. Fold. And then, make sure tight yung gitna. So, tight siya there. No space. And then, we have to cut this. Ribbon. And then cut here as well. Confetti. Ayusin lang natin. Kaya kung magkalat. Yan. So, careful when you open it. You're going to have something like this. And then you get your ribbon kanina kinuha mo. And we're going to tie this here. Square knot lang. One more. Para it's really secure. there. So, let's leave that behind muna. Mamaya na. So, you will have something like this. Now, from here, just adjust ng konti. Now, this is the exciting part. Kukunin mo yung pinakailalim. And then, pull it backward. And then, again, pinakailalim. Pull it. Backward ulit. Tapos, ito pa ulit sa ilalim. You do this again and again and again. Forward this time. And back. Ayan. And ito, forward. Kasi kailangan mo siya tanggalin sa ano niya. Nest niya. Nest. And ito rin. Forward and back. Tapos ito. May ganyan ka na. Punta tayo sa kabila. Okay. So, this one. Kabila. Okay, so you will have something like this. So, whenever you have these na parang ends, you cut it ng parang may arte. So, yung isa. And this one, of course, you're going to cut it. Okay, so you adjust na lang. Ayusin nyo. Use this for Christmas tree or sa gifts. Sorry, sa gifts or sa curtains. Curtain, kung curtain, you tie this around the curtain. Ganun. Ayusin nyo na lang. So there you have it. That's what we did for today. I hope you learned something and you really use this or apply this holiday season. So thank you guys. See you again next time. Bye.